Hi everybody, brief update on the 3CX. Went quiet for a little while due to the wet weather, and we haven't got a decent shed to put the machine into work undercover, but it's dried up now. So whilst we've all slowed down for a minute due to what's going on worldwide at the moment, we've had the fitters out today and we've left them to it, kept our 2 meters away, and they've come out and patched and done a real tidy job. We've cut out all the rotten steel, all in there, all up there, done a nice job, and done a lot of work. Walk around the back and show you what they've done around the back. Put a whole new section in there. So, yeah, done a real good job. We're pleased with that. New piece in there, new piece up there, new tops in there as well. New strip in there for the window retaining rubbers. Yeah, so now we can get on, and whilst we're all on sort of lockdown, we can get on and quietly do some paint work now. Get it all red oxided, get the trial fitted the cab today, that was alright. So we'll also get it all painted, get the matting refitted, and then get the cab frame all bolted up and start making some progress. Stay safe everyone. Hi everybody, update on the Sightmaster. Here's some of the steel that got cut out. You can see it was brave and right. And we've got an undercoat and 4 coats of yellow on. It's not looking great at the moment because we've been walking around all over on the undercoat. We're leaving the, well, the floor has had 3 coats of undercoat red oxide and then 2 coats of Fergie grey, because obviously with everything being locked down at the moment, we don't want to be doing any unnecessary travelling. But you can see all the new steel welded in. You can see a bit of dirt on the bottom there where we've been walking around with our boots, but it's all got to be swept off. And a layer of dust, because it's still dry at the moment. But no, it's slowly coming together. Yeah, a lot of work involved, a lot of cleaning. The new, well, we didn't bother with a bit of folded steel on the back, we just put a bit of box section in. Patched all the floor, several holes in the floor. Yeah, it's one step closer. Hope everybody's keeping safe at the moment. Hopefully this thing will run its course sooner rather than later, but who knows. But you know, doing this to bide the time at the moment. We'll have a quick look at the cab from Vickery Plant Sales, JCB breaker. Probably showed you this before, but we've came with the little foam strips that run along all there, but I took them off obviously because you can see underneath it's still rust and pitted, you know, so there's no point leaving that there. So I've pulled that off so we can clean all this up properly. So we can clean it all up properly and get at least a decent coat of paint on there to protect it. No point putting it back and then just for it to rust again. So they fitted in a new front windscreen when they sent the cab down, because most of them, well, nearly any old digger that I've ever driven, you've jumped in it and there's always had a crack or a, so yeah, it's not very good. But well, this one is, but you know, every other digger we've driven is. So there's a new window gone in there. Apparently the rear window frames are quite a difficult thing to get hold of. So we're going to have a think about that. Apparently the rear window frames are a bit like rocking horse poo, to be polite. So we'll have to have a look, but at least we can get the cab on it, get the roof on it, and get it to its a safe, usable state, so we can use it around the yard, and make sure there's no mechanical gremlins that we don't know about yet. So we'll keep you updated. Apologies for not keeping you previously updated on the. As a member, we posted a few photographs on the JCB Facebook pages, Vintage JCB, 2 groups now, Vintage JCB and Vintage JCB Troll Free group. We've posted a few photographs of the work as it's sort of progressed, so you can have a look on there if you wanted to. Right, thank you, bye.